When I first started acting, what the people around me who didn't know anything about acting said was, you could never make a living acting. So I said, oh yeah, watch this. And I did. But it didn't mean that I could act well. And when I realized I couldn't act well, even though I was making money on set, I really focused on acting well. I had to go back to class, back to school. And I did it for 2 years. I was required to rehearse every day. And we met twice a week, 3 hours at a time. And I went through the Sanford Meisner approach to acting through one of his descendants. What are all these journals that I'm holding? This is all of my acting work. These are all of my acting journals that I have filled every single page. This is 11 years of work in New York City. So I've acted in over 70 professional projects. I've taken thousands of notes, obviously. I've taken thousands of hours of class, and I've been on hundreds of sets in my life. There is incredible value in what I'm teaching you. I am driven by this every single day to be able to share with others what worked for me. I have this amazing opportunity to be able to teach you guys online through videos, also one-on-one coaching through Zoom, which I do for people all over the world. I do free consultation with people about their acting to help them overcome their obstacles and get closer to their goals every single day. I've worked with hundreds of actors. Thousands of actors have watched my teaching. I'm an actor now. I didn't quit so I could teach, so I could make some money. That's not what I'm doing. I still act. Not only that, I write, direct, produce. I started 2 companies, and I've never been more on fire for the purity of why I got into this in the first place. I started chasing making money as an actor, and it left me destitute in the realm of my artistic abilities, because when I first started acting, what the people around me who didn't know anything about acting said was, you could never make a living acting. So I said, oh yeah, watch this. And I did. But it didn't mean that I could act well. And when I realized I couldn't act well, even though I was making money on set, I really focused on acting well. I had to go back to class, back to school. And I did it for 2 years. I was required to rehearse every day. And we met twice a week, 3 hours at a time. And I went through the Sanford Meisner approach to acting through one of his descendants. And that's the legacy that I'm carrying with me. That's the torch that I'm carrying to you guys right now. If you are in Texas, you need to take this workshop. The workshop is happening in the fall. It's a 6-week workshop. We're going to go over 4 tools of acting that's going to help you get out of your head, be in the moment, help you access your emotions, be a truthful actor, and get you closer to your goals. I'm so confident in my ability to help you get better at acting, so long as you're dedicated, disciplined, you show up for yourself, that if you sign up for my class and you don't learn anything, you will get all your money back. Take all the money back. I know that because I've been in front of actors and I've taught them, and I've seen them grow, and they fly when I teach them. They fly. And I wouldn't lie to you. I'll give you all your money back if you do not grow. But I'm so confident that you're going to grow, you're going to excel, you're going to surprise yourself. You have to sign up for this acting workshop. We are not doing acting workshops. This is it. This is the only taste of 6 weeks with me that you're going to get. If you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, you got to sign up. Spots are limited. I can't fill that room with hundreds of people, but I can fill it with a certain amount. And if that's you, if this video has found you, if you're dedicated, sign up. You will not regret it. Nothing was more valuable in my life artistically than when I signed up for that 2-year Meisner class. It changed my life. January 9th, 2015, my life changed forever professionally. October 10th, 2023. Is that going to be your January 9th, 2015? I hope it is. I hope to see you there. I'm so excited to teach you. Sign up for the workshop. You won't regret it. If you don't learn anything, I'll give you all your money back. What do you have to lose? You have everything to gain. You have nothing to lose. Message me for questions. Email me with any thoughts. If you want to schedule a consultation, you're not in the area, I'd love to work with you one-on-one. I'm here for you. I want to take your career as seriously as I take my own, and I want to be for others what I wish was there for me when I was starting out, so that you don't waste thousands of hours and thousands of dollars finding and clawing your way to a good class. It's right here. It's right in front of you. And if you're in the North Texas area, do not miss this opportunity. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity. Sign up now. I hope to see you in the classroom.